mulch. Everybody, you hear that? I love that sound. That's the sound of avocado savior, and that is mulch. Dead leaves. Avocado loves it, loves it, loves it. Got to have it, wants it, needs it. It helps the tree so much. There's so many benefits and reasons why you want to add mulch. I can keep going. This could be a long video. Basically, what mulch does, it keeps the roots cool in the summer, warm in the winter, provides nutrients as they break down. Nutrients go to the roots, and then it prevents weeds from growing. And it also holds moisture, so you don't have to water your tree so much. There's so many benefits of mulch. I don't understand why people don't do it. I've recently started visiting some subscribers' homes. By the way, thank you so much. The outreach has been amazing. I love meeting all of you. But I'm noticing a trend. It seems like there's people's trees struggle because they don't add mulch. So when the people ask me to come over and take a look at their garden, take a look at their yard, take a look at their tree, graft some trees for them, we do various things. But most trees that struggle just simply don't have mulch under them, and it's such an easy solution. You just, next time you mow your lawn, or next time there's some street cleaning and there's a bunch of leaves on the ground, you could just go collect those leaves and throw them under your avocado tree, and your avocado tree is gonna love you for it. Here's some dead leaves collected from a big giant tree, and we just put it all in this trash bag and we throw it on the ground, and that's it. Good mulch is not what you find at the big box stores, though. Those bags that labeled mulch, it's not good because that mulch doesn't break down, and that's a problem. You want something that's gonna break down. I've noticed some mulches, even at the big box stores, maybe they do break down, but there's other mulches that it doesn't break down, and that's not good. Lawn clippings, when you mow your lawn, that's okay. That's pretty good. But the best thing that avocado loves the most is its own dead leaves. So I don't move the leaves out from under my avocado trees. They stay there, and my trees love it. That's their natural environment, because avocados are from a cloud forest, rainforest environment, and they grew up with millions of years of dead leaf matter on the forest floor, and they thrive in that kind of climate. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Let's get closer. Show you a bunch of dead leaf matter. Here's some dead broccoli or kale leaves over here. Now let me try to dig under here and see what's going on. Oh wow, it's a nice, moist, rich, and black soil down there, thanks to all this mulch. Thanks to all the mulch. I'll never forget when I saw my first mature reed avocado tree in Riverside. I was so mesmerized by it and so entranced by it. I would walk towards it like I was attracted to it, like it was like a religious site. As I was walking, I wasn't paying attention, and all of a sudden I fell through the mulch. I was knee deep in mulch. It was like a straight drop, and I looked down, and my legs were up to here in dead avocado leaves, and that's why that tree was thriving. And then with mulch helps us get avocados like this. This is the Nabal avocado, and we're standing in front of the multi-grafted avocado tree, and we're here in Southern California. This is zone 10B, and I'm just adding a bunch of mulch. There used to be a tree here. There used to be the 8-foot tall, 8-year-old, 3-foot tall avocado here. It's gone, and now this area right here, we're gonna have to add a bunch more mulch for this avocado to thrive. And that's the secret, folks. You want to have a successful tree. 8 to 9 times out of 10 why your tree struggles is the lack of dead leaf matter all around your avocado trees. And when I'm spreading this mulch, especially young trees need it. Young trees love it. Young trees gotta have it. But these more mature trees also love it as well. And I like to spread it as far as the canopy goes. So the canopy ends here, right here. So I want to spread mulch all in the 360 direction all around this tree. So put some more right here. Yeah, you really can't I think when you have dead leaves, I think it's impossible to over mulch. You can't really over mulch. When I went to Costa Rica and we found these wild avocado trees in the rainforest, we started digging. And we went down a foot, then we went down 2 feet. We had to stop at 2 feet because there was some really creepy animals and like insects crawling over there, but the mulch kept going down. I'm sure it went to 3, 4, 5 feet of dead leaf matter, and the trees were massive and they had thousands of avocados on there. All right, so mulch is important, especially when it comes to avocados. As always, guys, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and thank you for watching. Bye.